Hey guys, this is Robert and here's the package, so let's open it up and see what's inside. So just this box. What is this? Pull adapter or something. Oh, okay. So it's an adapter where you can screw into your bulb and put your bulb here, and you can use electric both ways. So this is just like a standard with no ground. This one has a ground. So yeah, if you're interested in this item, the link will be in the description below. Using that link, you will help support your channel. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and we'll see you next time.